Hello friends, welcome back to Robby Hobby. Today I'm making eggplant parmesan my way, and I promise you, this sandwich flirts back. So stick around. I'm about to make your taste buds fall in love. Hey guys, today I'm making my all-time favorite dish, eggplant parmesan. Everything from scratch, my own style. I've been making this for years, and trust me, after a lot of trials and research, this is the best way to make it. So I got everything here. Let's jump in. Okay, first we have got an eggplant. We are going to turn it into 4 half-inch slices. I save both sides of skin. It looks prettier and it's easy to slice. Keep the stem on for now. It's like a little handle. Later we'll take it off before the sandwich gets all romantic and messy. Now sprinkle salt on both sides, pull out moisture. Don't freak, most of this salt gets wiped away later. Then use a fork or your meat tenderizer if you are feeling spicy and poke the eggplant all over. That tenderizing is like a little warm-up massage. It gets the inside creamy and outside crispy. And oh, it helps the eggplant blush just right when it meets the pan. After a few minutes, wipe off that moisture. Look at it, so clean, so ready. If that eggplant could wink, it would. Okay guys, quick shout out. Today's video is sponsored by Balaji USA. This company is owned by my friend Atul Soni, more than 25 years of friendship. And he sent me this amazing wet and dry grinder for my kitchen. I have used Balaji forever. My mom loved my last one so much she took it to North Carolina. These grinders are reliable, heavy duty, and they offer extended warranties. They are on Oak Tree Road, New Jersey. Same strip where my first Italian sub shop lived in back in 90s. Balaji ships nationwide. Use code Robby10 or mention Robby Hobby and get 10% off. Alright, back to romance in the kitchen. I'm using the dry grinder to make fresh breadcrumbs. Italian bread with thyme. Watch it go. So fine, so fast. If cooking were dating, this grinder would be the wingman. Crack 2 eggs and whisk them. Sprinkle black pepper on both sides of the pan. A little pepper is like a little spice in the text message. Dip the slice into egg bath. Now into the breadcrumbs. Press them gently so they cling like a good hug. Repeat for all 4 slices. See how the crumbs hold on? Commitment. Heat a pan with olive oil on low medium. Lay the eggplant in and cook 5 to 7 minutes. Hear that? That's the sound of a sizzling love story. While the eggplant gets golden, sauce time. I'm using 1 jalapeno, bell peppers, a few garlic cloves, cilantro, basil, and 4 to 5 small tomatoes. Mince the garlic and don't be shy. Garlic loves you back. Chop the peppers and herbs and slice the tomatoes in half. If you were a sauce, would you like me to kiss you or simmer you slow? I choose simmer. In a pan, heat some olive oil. Saute minced garlic for a minute. Inhale that aroma. It's basically foreplay for dinner. Add the tomatoes and peppers. Cover and cook low for 10 minutes. Let them soften and fall for each other. After 10 minutes, remove the tomatoes skin. Add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. It's fancy, and so are you. Thyme, oregano, and salt. Let it simmer. Then cool a bit and grind to a silky paste in the wet grinder. Smooth, seductive sauce. Coming right up. Our eggplant slices are golden and ready for their big day. They have been through a lot to get here. Let's show some appreciation. I'm using a foot-long Italian sub roll. I cut it in half but leave the bottom intact, like keeping a secret between lovers. I scoop out the breads a bit to reduce curves and to make room for more fillings. Now spread a generous layer of sauce, a warm welcome kiss for our eggplant. Lay down the crispy eggplants. Remove the stems, please. And another layer of sauce. Now the cheesy part, shredded mozzarella. Then slices of fresh mozzarella. Melt me, baby. Top with chopped cilantro and basil. Oh, your heart is racing. Mine too. Preheat your oven to 350°F and slide the sandwich in for 15 minutes. 15 minutes of anticipation. If waiting is hard, imagine me sniffing the air next to the oven. I'm drooling and blushing. After 15 minutes, drum roll. The lover of my life has arrived. Golden, melty, cheesy, and totally ready to flirt back. Look at that cheese. Oh, if I could propose to food, I would. Sprinkle with garlic powder. You knew I'd say garlic. Thyme, black pepper, oregano, and a final flirt of parmesan. I need a knife. And of course, I need to take some pictures for you. Oh my god. Creamy inside, crunchy outside, bright sauce, and that oily mozzarella. It's like a first kiss and a slow dance in one bite. If you make this for someone, tell me who you will seduce with it. I want to read the romance confessions in the comments. Quick reminder, this episode was brought to you by Balaji USA. Use Robby10 for 10% off or mention Robby Hobby in store. Alright friends, that's my eggplant parmesan, Robby Hobby style. If this made you smile or made you a little hungry and a little flirty, like, subscribe and share it with the person you want to impress. Until next time, keep it cheesy, keep it spicy and keep it Robby Hobby style.